morning. I am Purnima and once again I am in front of you to speak on the topic direct and indirect speech. Now I am going to continue with the same topic but the children, but this topic will be the same but the sub part will be different. So first of all, what is the direct speech? Children, direct speech is the speak which is the exact word of the speaker. And what is the indirect speech? Indirect speech is that speech which is not the exact word of the speaker and it is said in one's own way. I will also like to tell you children that direct speech is having two parts. It is having reporting part and reported part. The most important thing is reporting part and its verb. It is the reporting verb which determines all the changes in the direct speech. Okay, it is the reporting part which determines all the changes in the direct speech. Now, let me tell you that in the direct speech, one thing is clear that children, the exact word of the speaker is kept in the inverted comma. The exact word of the children direct speech is kept in the it is kept in the inverted comma. And direct speech, okay, in the indirect speech children, that speech, the exact word of the speaker can be said to somebody else in one's own way, that is an indirect speech. And children, let me tell you one more thing children, there are two parts of direct speech. One is outside the inverted comma, that is reporting part, and the verb of the reporting part determines all the changes. So reporting part is a very important part in a sentence, and children, which is inside the inverted comma, that is a reported part. Okay, now in the direct speech, first thing is clear that when the reporting verb is in, we have discussed this thing in our previous video, when the reporting verb is in present tense, when the reporting verb is in present tense, then children, what we will tell, that how we will change it, that says to will be changed into, I have told you, sixth rule. And what are those six rules? The sixth rule is that says to will change into tells. Says to will change into tells. Okay, and children, we have to remove the inverted comma, and after removing the inverted comma, children, we will remove the central comma, and when we will remove the central comma, then automatically children, that thing will be there. Then that thing we will join everything with the conjunction that. Okay, then everything will be joined with the conjunction that. Now in children, then children, we will see the pronouns, and I have told you children certain rules of the pronoun. When the pronoun inside the inverted comma, that means the pronoun of the reported part, when it will be children, when the pronoun of the reported part, when it will be the first person of the reported part is a friend of the subject of the reporting part. Okay, so the pronoun of the reported part will be changed according to the subject of the reporting part. Similarly children, the pronoun of the second person of the reported part will be changed according to the object of the reported part. It will be changed according to the object of the reported part. So this you have to see. And when there will be a third person in the reported part, then there will be no change. Then there will be no change. Okay. So children, one thing is clear. Okay. One thing is clear, that when reported part, okay, when there is a when we have to, when changing the pronoun children, we have to see if first person is there in the reported part, it will be changed according to the subject of the reporting part. What is the first person pronoun? The first person pronoun is the children. What is the first person pronoun? The first person pronoun is I and we. Okay. Then second person pronoun is you and your. And the third person pronoun is he, she or it. So first person will change according to the subject of the reported part. Second person will be according to the object of the reported part, and third person there will be no change. Okay. So this you have to see. This you have to see, children. Okay. Now children, I will be telling you some of the rules I will be writing on the board, and children you will note it down. When the reporting verb is in the present tense, then the reporting verb will be in the present tense, then what you have to do. Okay. So children, when the reporting verb is in the present tense, the first will be said to will be changed into told. You have to note it. Said to is changed into told. Okay. When the reporting verb will be in the which tense is in the past tense. Like here it is said to. Then children said to will be changed into told, and second thing children, we have to remove the inverted comma and when we will remove the inverted comma, remove the central comma and add the conjunction that. Add the conjunction that. This is the third. Now children, you have to pay attention when the reporting verb is in the present tense. When the reporting verb is in the present tense, then 6 points changes. What is the first point? Says to will change into tells. Remove the inverted comma. If you will remove the inverted comma, then the central comma will automatically be removed. Okay. Then the central comma will be removed. Third thing children, when central comma will be removed, then automatically it will be joined by what? Automatically it will be joined by children. Automatically it will be joined by the conjunction that. Children, then the fourth point is that pronoun will be changed. When pronoun will be changed, then children, the verb according to the pronoun will also be changed, and children also there will be no change in the tenses. So this is the rule when reporting verb is in the present tense. Now children, we have to see when reporting verb is in the past tense. That is, instead of say, it will be said to. So first point is that you can see said to is changed into told. Said to is changed into told. Remove the inverted comma. Second point is that we have to remove the inverted comma. And third point is that children, you have to remove the center comma and add the conjunction that. And you have to children add the conjunction that. Okay. Now the fourth point is that you have to children change the pronouns of the reported part. Okay. Now fourth point is children, you have to change the pronoun of the reported part. So this is the fourth point. Change the pronoun of the reported part. What is the reported part? That is the part which is inside the inverted comma That is the reported part. So if the pronoun will be there in the first person, it will be changed according to the subject. When pronoun will be there in the second person, it will be changed according to the object. And when there will be no, when the third person pronoun will not be there, then there will be no change. Okay, so you have to see this. Now, children, when pronoun will be changed, then verbs will be changed according to the pronouns. Word will be changed according to the pronoun. Okay. And children, when verb will be changed according to the pronoun, then you have to see one more thing. And what is that, children? There will be a change in the tense. The sixth point is that there will be change in the tense. So, what would the sixth point? Changes in the tense. And fourth point is that, children, changes in the other word. Changes in the other words will be there. Okay, now children, you have to write that which pronoun, which tense will be changed into what. This is very important. You have to, I will be telling you the changes of the other word, what changes will be there. Pronouns we have already discussed, that first person. Now children, one more thing I would like to say, children. Now children, first of all, I have told you, children, first how the pronouns are changed. So first person pronoun is changed into according to the subject of the reporting part of the verb. Second person pronoun is changed according to the object of the reporting part of the word. And if in the reported part, if there is a verb of third person, so there will be no change. Now children, I will be telling you that how the tenses are changed when the reporting part is in future tense, when the reporting verb is in past tense. Okay, so when reporting verb is in past tense, then what you have to do? When reporting verb is in the past tense, children, then how the changes are changed, this I will be telling you. Okay, and so you have to write it. So children, first of all, when the reporting verb is in the past tense, then what you have to see? You have to see 6, 7 things. First of all, children, remove the inverted comma, said to will be changed into told, remove the inverted comma, and children, then afterward, after removing the inverted comma, children, you have to remove the central comma, and then you have to join with the conjunction that. And of course, children, then you have the change of the pronoun of the reported part will be there. How the pronoun has been changed, this I will be telling you in my previous video. I have already told you in my previous video. And children, verb will be changed according to the pronoun. Verb will be changed according to the pronoun. And children, the change of the tenses will also be there. So just now you have to write which tense will be changed into which tense. That means what tenses, what change will be there in the tenses. So this you have to write it. So children, simple present. If the reporting verb is in the then simple present will be changed into simple past. Simple present will change into simple past. Let's take the verb play. or plays will be changed into played. Okay, then second thing children, simple past will change into past perfect. Simple past will be changed into present past perfect. Third, simple past will be changed into past perfect. Then children, third one, present continuous will be changed into past continuous. Present continuous will be changed into past continuous. Present continuous will be changed into past continuous. Okay, so this is the third changes in the tense. Now, then the four changes. What could be the four changes? Past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. Was playing, was or were playing will be changed into had been playing. Was or were playing will be changed into had been playing. Then present perfect will be changed into past perfect. Okay, present perfect will be changed into past perfect. Okay, have played into has played. Had played is changed into had played. Now present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. What is present perfect continuous? Have been or has been playing will change into had been playing. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Has or oblique have been playing will be changed into had been playing. Okay, so children, this is the rule. Rule of what? Children, this is the rule. First rule is said to is changed into said. Said to is changed into told. The second rule is that we have to remove the inverted comma. Third rule is that when the inverted comma will be removed, then we will be joining with the conjunction that. Then fourth rule is that you have to change the pronoun. How the pronoun will be changed? Children, the pronoun of the past. Children, the pronoun of the past perfect tense Okay, the pronouns of the first person will be changed according to the subject of the reporting part. The pronoun of the second person in the reported part will be changed into the object of the reporting part, and pronoun of the third person will change into the uh, children. Pronoun of the third person, it will be changed into what? It will be pronoun of the third person will be changed into uh, children according to the second person will be changed according to the object, and there will be no change if there will be no change children if there is what to say children, if third person will be there, then there will be no change. Okay, so these are some of the important thing that how the children pronouns are changed, and this children tenses. Just now I have told you that how you will change the tenses, like simple present will change into simple past. Okay, simple past will change into past perfect, right? Simple present continuous will change into past continuous, and then past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. Perfect continuous will present perfect continuous will change into past perfect, and present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. And children, in this way children, that it will be changed, the rules will be changed. Okay, the tenses will be changed, right? And children, now I will be teaching you that not only children the tenses and the pronouns, but some other words are also changed, so you have to write those other words. You have to write those other words, like is, are, am. Okay, is, are, am will be changed into was, were. Is, are, am will be changed into was and were, and here will be changed into there. This will be changed into that. Here, thus will be changed into, no, so will be changed into thus. Okay, then now will be changed into then, and children, noun will be changed into then, and today will be changed into that day. Today will be changed into that day. You have to learn it children, you have to write it. Yesterday will change into the previous day. The yesterday will be changed into previous day. Then next day will change into the following day. Next day will be changed into the following day. Next day will be changed into the following day, and ago will be changed into before. Okay, ago will be changed into before. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might. So these are they will be changed. Then have or has will change into had. Have or has will change into had. Now was and were, this is very important, children. Was and were will change into had been. Was and were will change into had been. Okay. Had to plus V1 had to plus V1 will change into had. So children, this is the rule that how you should change the other word. Okay. So now let's revise again. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, children, then 7 and 8 thing will be changed. First, said to will be changed into told. Second, you have to remove the inverted comma. Third, children, you have to remove to inverted comma. Third thing, children, what you have to do, you have to, children, change the that thing, inverted comma rule I have told you. Then children, you have to change the pronoun, you have to change the tenses which I have expressed just now, and then pronoun will be changed, that the verb will automatically will be changed. Okay. And then finally, children, other word will also be changed. So children, this you have to, when you will learn all these thing changes, then only, children, it will be all right. Then only you will be able to do it. You have to learn it, all this thing which is written on the board. And few things you have to write, children. If the reported speech, okay, if historical fact is there, or imagined condition is there, or present day habit is there, then there will be no changes in the tense of in the reported speech. Okay, like the teacher said the earth is round, so there will be no change in the tenses. The teacher said. Now here you can see said is in the reporting verb is in the present tense, in the past tense. And just now I told you that you have to change 7 to 8 things when reporting verb is in the past tense. But children, you have to see when the reported in the reported speech, when the historical fact is there, or when some scientific fact is there, or some general truth is there, or universal truth is there, then children, it will not be changed. Okay, it will never be changed. Like she said sugar tastes sweet. This is a direct speech. She said, in the inverted comma, sugar is sweet. This is a direct speech. She said that sugar tastes sweet. Okay, she said that sugar tastes sweet. So here, children, you can see that there is no change. There is no change in the tenses. Like children, the teacher said that the earth is round. Now children, here the reporting verb part is in which tense? Here the reporting part is in the past tense. So I told you, when past tense reporting part is in the past tense, then 7 things change, but here there is no change. Okay, here there is no change. All right. And children, Here it tells, she said that sugar tastes sweet. She said that sugar, that the earth is round. Now children, you can see that the reporting verb in the, and the tenses is not changed in the reported part is not changed. So children, you have to remember children, when the reported verb, okay, when there is a universal truth, scientific fact is there, or any historical fact is there, then children, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tenses inside will never be changed. So with this children, I conclude my video here, and tomorrow once again I am going to repeat the same topic. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.